Hello, my name is Luc Bouchard, and this is a testimony for Butler Plumbing. I recently had the pleasure of dealing with Butler Plumbing when I was having a lot of problems with my hot water pressure. And when I would turn on my taps, a trickle would come out and I had like no pressure. Don't get me started on the showers and how that wasn't very popular in my house. But Kevin, the owner, happened to come out and basically gave me the quote. And what I really appreciate about dealing with Kevin is that he wasn't in a hurry to make a sale. He didn't offer me the most expensive option, and I gave him the choice. He basically wanted to know what was going to serve me well and what was within my financial comfort. And I greatly appreciated how he basically presented all the options and said, okay, this is, if you go this route, you have to do this. If you go this route, it's going to cost you this much, or this route. And there was no you have to do it, or any kind of pressure to get it done. It was just like, he just said, this is what will be in your best interest as far as I'm concerned. And I greatly appreciate that, because what I do in work is I bring perspective to other people, and it's refreshing when someone can bring me perspective, and that's what Kevin did from Butler Plumbing. So if you have any plumbing needs, you've got to call them. Call them today. They'll take care of you. They showed up on time when they changed up my hot water tank. There was no surprises, and there was no additional costs, which is something else I really appreciated. Thank you very much. Call Butler Plumbing today.